always wanted.
I did not tape it. It came that way.
Cheater.
Cheater what? That's cheating.
What's that? It's called I'm 40. I can do whatever I want.
We always do that with boxes.
No. You have to unwrap it by yourself. Oh. What? That's cheating.
Because Papa didn't wrap this.
Who did?
The company.
Whoever at the whatever company.
Oh. That's still cheating. Is it from him?
It's from Mimi and Papa.
Oh, you got papers. Good for you.
What is it? What is it? What is it? That's awesome.
What is it?
Sweet.
Oh.
Oh, see. Awesome.
That's awesome, hon.
Thank you.
You just place it on your
PS3.
drawer.